Hi there, it's Christine, and today I want to show you some of my favorite tools. I use a lot of the Diamondcore carving tools. They're expensive, but they're really high quality, and I've had good luck with them. And one of my favorite things to do is to carve on my clay. So here is a cup I have of some of my current tools I have. Some are fine point, some are fluting. There's all kinds, but today I want to show you what I just purchased. And now these, what I do, Diamondcore usually twice a year maybe offers gift certificates. And sometimes they'll have like 20% off. And so I combine my gift certificate purchase with 20% off. So if I spend and get a $100 gift certificate, I'm only paying $80. And then I go and use those sometime during the year when they have a buy one, get one free, which I did recently. So I'm getting the stuff super cheap. So if one tool is about $38 or $40, which is kind of where they run, I'm getting them for way less than that because I'm getting 20% off. And then some of them I'm buying one, getting one free. So they might only cost me $15, $20 a piece, and they're still worth it. So this is one set, and there's two in here. And this one is, if you can see it, P4V. It's a fluting and carving. This one is a P4, slightly different. They'll give me two different shapes. And when I use these for my clay, I will also tell you what I'm using so you'll know. And then I also got in this nice big box here, this is what I have here. This is a P21. And here's the tip. It's kind of a thin, pointed, has a little bit of a square on it. I don't know if you can see that. And then the other one is an L4. And this is actually a sgraffito carving, which I'm going to start to do more of. There's a thicker end and a thinner end, so it's like a double-edged tool. So over the next few weeks while I get my studio up and running, I can't wait to use those, and I'll let you know what I'm using. So, and then another time I'll lay out all the tools in order and show you what I have, because there's fine point, there's some where you can extrude handles and different fluting tools and things like that. So it's a lot of fun. But again, you have to get them on deal. So if you get like on their website and get on their mailing list, so you can be sure to get, maybe a discount on their gift certificates, and then wait about twice a year. I think they have the buy one, get one free, and it's a really great deal. So if you love their tools, that's the way to do it.